In the second question, we are having the equation like this, that is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equals to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equals to minus 2, that is equation number 2. So now we are going to solve these equations. That is, first of all we will convert these two equations into linear equation. So for that we can substitute instead of x plus y is equals to some other variable and x minus y is equals to some other variable. So see here, I am writing this as 10 upon 10 into x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equals to 4. Similarly, I can write this equation also like this: 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 upon 5 into x minus y is equals to minus 2. So wherever I am having 1 upon x, I am writing that is 1 upon x plus y is equals to, we can take a or m, anything. So I am taking here m, and wherever 1 upon x minus y is there, I am writing like this. So what we are writing? Substituting 1 upon x is equals to a and 1 upon x minus a is equal to b. So then the equation becomes, what we will get here? 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. So this is the equation number 3, and this equation becomes what? 15a minus 5b is equals to minus 2. So therefore it is also, so this the number of the equation is 4. So what we are doing, we are using the elimination method. For that, any one of the variables coefficient should be equal. So for that, what I am doing, I will multiply the equation number 3 with 3. So I will get here 3 tens are 30, and I will multiply the equation number with 4 with 2. So 15 twos are 30. So I am making the coefficient of a equal. So for that, what I am doing here, multiplying equation 3 with 3 and equation 4 with 2. So see here, that is first of all equation 3, that is 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. इसको मैं किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी? विथ 3. Therefore 3 tens are 30a plus 3 twos are 6b, 4 threes are 12. So therefore this equation number I am writing it as 5, and again I am multiplying the equation 4 with 2. So that is 2 into 15a minus 5b is equals to minus 2. So it becomes 15 twos are 30a, 5 twos are 10b, 2 twos are 4. So I am giving the name it as 6. Now if we observe the equation 5 and 6, 30a plus 6b is equals to 12. 30a minus 10b is equals to minus 4. So here the a coefficients are equal and they are having same sign. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this equation. That is subtracting equation 5 from otherwise equation 6 from 5. So what is the 6? What is the fifth one? As it is I am writing, that is 30a plus 6b is equals to 12. And the sixth one is 30a minus 10b is equals to minus 4. When we are subtracting, the sign of the second equation get changed. So that is minus plus plus. Plus 30a minus 30a get cancelled. 6b plus 10b, how much? 16b is equals to plus 12 plus 4, that will be 16. Therefore 16b is equals to 16. B is equals to 16 upon 16, that is equals to 1. And now what we will do? We will substitute this b is equals to 1 in equation number 3. So I am writing substituting b is equals to 1 in equation 3. So whenever we substitute that, what we will get, that is what is the equation 3? 10a plus 2b is equals to 4. So in this equation we will write, wherever the b is there, I will write 1. That is 10a plus 2 into 1 is equals to 4. Therefore 10a plus 2 is equals to 4. That is 10a is equals to 4 minus 2. Therefore 10a is equals to how much we will get? 4 minus 2, 2. A is equals to how much we will get? 2 upon 10. That is 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore A is equals to 1 upon 5. So here we got A is equals to 1 upon 5 and B is equals to 1 upon, so B is equals to 1. But what we are considered as A, that is A is equals to, we know, 1 upon x plus y. Therefore 1 upon x plus y is equals to how much we got? 1 upon 5. 1 upon x plus y is equals to 1 upon 5 we got. But what we have to do, if we take the cross multiplication, what we will get? 5 ones are and x plus y. Therefore x plus y is equals to 5. So we are taking this number as 7. And similarly, what is that? We got b is equals to 1. So but what the b is equals to, that is 1 upon x minus y is equals to 1. So by this what we will get? Similarly we will take, if nothing is there in a denominator, that is 1 upon 1. So if we take the cross multiplication, we will get that x minus y is equals to 1. So I am naming it as 8. See here, it is a very lengthy problem. Now again we have to go for the solution of this problem, then only we will get the equation. So what is the seventh equation? X plus y is equals to 5, x minus y is equals to 5. X minus y is equals to 1. Now here we are seeing that the y is having the plus minus and y is having the y minus. So by eliminating method, what we will do? Adding equation 7 and 8. That is x plus y is equals to 5, x minus y is equals to 1. X plus x, 2x, plus y minus y get cancelled. So you will get 6. X is equals to 6 upon 2, that is equals to 3. Therefore x is equals to 3. So where we will substitute this one? Now we are substituting x plus 3 is equals x is equals to 3 in equation number 7. So what is the equation 7? X plus y is equals to 5. So I am writing, wherever x is there, I am writing 3. Therefore 3 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to, when 3 goes that side, it becomes minus 3. Therefore y is equals to 2. Like this we got x comma y is equals to 3 comma 2. So this is the very lengthiest process. In this, we both